Are you tired of drilling holes into your walls every time you need to put up window blinds? Fixing experts have rounded up the best no-drill blinds in the market. How do no-drill blinds differ from traditional blinds? No-drill blinds are the same as traditional window blinds, with the only difference in their installation mechanism. Yes, you don't have to cause any glitches in your interior design by drilling holes in the walls. Rather, these window treatments can be hung via different options like peel and stick, magnetic force, tension rods, clamps, etc. The fundamental significance of having no-drill window blinds. Newly painted home interiors and gleaming finishes don't need to get any distortion, thanks to no-drill window blinds. Just as it's easy to install no-drill window treatments, you won't have to spend a whole lot of time removing them. In the context of easy installations, you save a lot of money that otherwise has to be paid to the professionals. The different versions and varieties of no-drill window blinds on the market. 1. Peel and stick window blinds. The first on the list are self-adhesive window blinds that comprise an adhesive backing secured with attached strips. These window coverings are also named stick-on blinds. The top part of these coverings comprises an adhesive strip that is to be removed for window attachment purposes. 2. Magnetic blinds. If you're thinking of a stylish solution to treat your glass window panels, magnetic blinds are just the right option. As in the name, these window coverings use powerful magnets that are integrated into the window frame for holding the blinds. It's a more modern and sophisticated approach to dressing the windows. 3. Hanging blinds with tension rods. Also named tension rod window blinds, there is no need to explain any further. Because all that it takes is a suspension rod or tension rod placed inside the window frame for hanging the blinds. Thus, there's no additional effort or cost that you have to put into dressing your windows. 4. Clamp-on blinds. Also named clamp-fixed window blinds, these window treatments don't require drilling holes into the walls but rather into the window frames. Yes, you need to screw the clamps into place to let the blind's headrail hang from it. 5. Static cling window blinds. When thinking of a unique approach to framing your home windows, static cling window blinds are the perfect option to settle for. These window treatment films demand no glue or harmful chemicals for attachment purposes but rather can be adhered to the window frame with only a bit of soapy water solution. 6. Suction cup cordless window blinds. Looking to frame small-sized windows but don't want to drill holes in the walls? Well, we've got you an ideal solution in the form of suction cup cordless window blinds. 7. Magic Fix Smart Blinds. Magic Fix Smart Roller Blinds make use of a frictional mechanism and create tension to hang the roller mechanism. The roller mechanism gets attached to the sides of the window frame by friction pads that can be adjusted for proper positioning. Some crucial considerations for ideally choosing no-drill blinds. The window size and shape should never be overlooked as they can determine the type of drill-free blinds to choose. Have clear-cut preferences for the amount of light you want to let in the interior while maintaining your home's privacy. Define your budget prior to making a purchase so as to not get yourself into financial trouble later on. Look for durable materials that can stand up to harsh environmental conditions and prove their worth for long-lasting periods.